Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial here on NailPossible. It's back to school season, so we're gonna make a design with one of my favorite items to have back when I was in school. Before we begin with our nails, we're going to need our silicone mat. First, we're going to make a couple of decals using clear polish. Let's make a couple of small ones for the individual pencils. We set them aside so they can dry and we apply our base coat. We add a coat of white nail polish as if it was a white piece of paper. If it's necessary, we add a second coat. And we clean up around the nails. Once our decals are dry, I'm going to use temporary tattoo paper because I don't have any stamping plates with images like these and I can't draw to save my life. I used images I found online, but I had to modify them a little bit on Photoshop because they came with color, so I set them how I wanted them, then I printed on the white sheet, and once they're printed, I'm going to cut them. Now we need a piece of the yellow sheet about the same size as the one we have printed. Once we have both pieces, we remove the yellow backing. And we stick the printed side to the sticky side of the transparent sheet. We press firmly. And I'm going to cut each one and remove some of the excess. Now that we have our image, we're going to need a cotton pad or ball with some water. We remove the transparent film from our image, trying not to touch the printed side because it's now sticky. We place it face down on the decal we made with clear polish, place the wet cotton pad on top and wait a few seconds. If the white paper is not moving, it means it's not ready yet, so let's place the cotton pad back for a few more seconds. Once it's ready, the white paper will just slide off, so now we're going to do the same thing with the other pencils. I'm going to use the Sally Hansen and Crayola collection to color them in. And I'm going to use a brownish nude for the wood part of the pencils. Once they're dry, we can peel them off the mat. And to make the application easier, I'm going to put it on a stamper first. If it doesn't stick to your nail like it happened to me because your polish is dry already, you can easily fix that by adding a thin layer of clear polish and your decal should stick now. We're going to use some acetone to remove the excess and to melt the decal a little bit so it sticks better. Now we're going to use some of these individual pencils. We remove some of the excess and we apply them with the stamper to another nail. With a very thin brush, I'm going to make some scribbles. And remove the excess with some acetone. Now we do the same thing on the rest of the nails, placing the pencils randomly. If you're good at freehand, you can even write or draw something. But since I can't draw, I'll stick to the squiggly lines. Once we're done, we add a top coat to protect our design. And this is the finished design. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!